What's up guys, I know you all love RGB lights, and in this video I'm going to unbox a new RGB gadget for you, so stay tuned and let's get started. Guys, if you wish to illuminate your workstation in style, this is the product you should buy. First off, here with the box, this is the packing and you get all sorts of branding. You get to see the RGB notification, the RGB types of lights you get with this mouse pad and the related stuff. Yes, you also get to see the MRP and Cosmic Byte logo on the box. So now let's open the box and see what's inside. There's a tape I need to remove, and yeah, so it's removed, and there's a poly bag inside in which the mouse pad is there. It looks quite bulky. Let me just open it, and yeah, so this is wrapped like this. Second packing, and here is again the Cosmic Byte logo branding. So now I'm going to open this polythene bag and let's see how it looks. Yeah, so this is the mouse pad and it looks good. It's quite large, and this is the cable. It's good quality cable, braided cable as we all love nowadays, and it's a micro USB type C cable. Sorry, not type C, it's normal micro USB cable. And now let me show you the exact size of this mouse pad. It's quite big. It will fit on your workstation very well, and it can hold your mouse and your keyboard both. So this is the size. In the meantime guys, let me tell you about the price. I got it on the Amazon sale, Diwali sale, and I got it for around 900 rupees. So it was really a big deal. Yeah, there's nothing more in the box. Let's keep it aside. So let me show you. This is the adapter where you will be attaching the cable, and it has got one button on it to change the lights and effects, and probably to turn it off or on. This is the quality of the button. As you can see, it's written there how to use it, and these are the stitches. So it's really good quality. It won't tear off very soon, and the stuff is synthetic, and it might not appeal to everyone, but it's good. It's not that bad. So let me show you how does it look when I light it up and connect to the USB port. So keep watching. So guys, here you get 3-second off and on. That means you need to press the button for 3 seconds to on or off the LED, and just press it once to change the effects, change the light, choose from the 7, and even change the effects, breathing effect, and you get 3 effects basically. And here you can see the quality of the cable. It's braided cable. So in this video you can get a bit of idea about how the lights look. Yeah, these are how the lights will look. It looks really good, and it adds an illuminating effect on your workstation. It will be loved by everyone, and if you're a gamer, then you will surely love this mouse pad. Yeah, this is the red light, and this is the switch. Let me just press it and show you different colors. Here you get the blue one, and then it turns off. So let me again press it. You get again flashing red color. So blue, green, and different types of color. You get teal as well, which looks very good, my personal favorite. Yeah, so it looks very great, it looks very classy, it looks modern, it looks futuristic as well. So guys, here you can see how it looks in the dark. You can game and work in the dark as well. These are the breathing effects, so you get 3 of them and they all are really nice. So it's a good quality for me. I'm really satisfied with the quality of the mousepad. It's big and it's affordable. Normally you get such size mousepad for around 2000, and I pair it up with my RGB mouse and it looks really futuristic. I'm loving the feeling of it, and it will really gel with your equipments if you're an RGB lover like me. So guys, until the next video, this is Abhishek signing off. Please subscribe and like my video. Take care. Bye bye.